Okay, so I'm about to show you how you can save potentially thousands on your next flight ticket, and it's actually surprisingly easy. The method I'm about to show you will work on any device, so whether you're on a mobile, tablet or computer, this will still work for you. So in today's example, we're going to be using a return flight from London to New York City from the 10th to the 20th of October, and we're also going to be running business class. Now we're going to go ahead and click on search and see what results we get. Now this method will work for anybody, so whether you're in the US or you're from Europe, this will still have you covered. Okay, so as you can see, the cheapest flight I have is £5,100, which is the equivalent to about $6,200. I'll leave a conversion on screen now. Now this is where the magic happens. So what we're going to be doing is using a VPN in order to change our real IP address to a virtual IP address. Now our real IP address is based on our current real location, and this virtual IP address will be located somewhere else. So when we go back onto the website and book flight tickets again, they're going to be thinking that we're booking these flight tickets from another location, for example New York City. The VPN I personally use is called Private Internet Access, and I will leave a link in the description where you can go ahead and get it, and you can actually use this VPN on any device, whether it be mobile or tablet or on a computer. So once you've got your VPN, you want to go ahead and set the VPN server to your destination, which tends to work best, and this example we're going to be using New York City, as you know, and we're going to go ahead and activate it. It may take a couple of seconds, but that's going to change our real IP address into our VPN IP address, which again is New York City. So now we're technically browsing from New York City. We want to go ahead and open up our browser again, but this time we want to open up in private mode or incognito mode if you're using Google Chrome. And again, you want to do this on a tablet or mobile as well. So what we're going to do now is go back to the same website as we were just on. Now this will work for any website and not just Expedia. And we're just going to go ahead and input the same information as we just searched for. So as you can see, we're going to be flying from London to New York from the 10th to the 20th of October, and we're also going to be flying in business class. So now if we go ahead and click on search, so as you can see, the cheapest flight we are looking at is $3,400, and before was looking at the cheapest flight of $6,200, so we've almost saved $3,000 there. So yeah, that's all you need to do to save money on your next flights, and it's actually surprisingly easy, and you can actually do this right now. And it doesn't matter where you are, where you're from, or when you do it, this will always work. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching and have a good day.